Well, I'm going to be reviewing Cabela's multi-tool. It's about $5. I got it for about $5. It comes with a nice little sheath, free sheath though. When you get it, has a little hook thingy that you can put it on a keychain, but I cut that off. Well, at least I don't know if this for everyone's, but it has they're very, very greased. But it has pliers. Not the best, but they work. And for its size, it has a pretty good LED. It's pretty bright. And there is the knife. It's probably about a 1-inch blade. It's small. But there is a little saw. Again, probably about 1 inch. It has a screwdriver. That's helped me a lot. It has a can opener. Looks okay. I don't know if can opener failed. Yep. Oh, this is Cabela's right there. Mine's orange. You can get them in green, different colors. So yeah. So thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe.